Hi guys, today I'm gonna open up this Blue Studio 5.5 and replay the screen on his phone. Let's open the back and the frame. I have taken off all the screw by the Phillips screwdriver, and now I open the housing. Get this clip and go around the housing. Okay, now it's off. Let's see. Okay, now we just have to open this lock. Okay. You can see the tweezer if you don't have the fingernail. Take it off. It lock right here also. The on this side. You can take off this flag right here. You have to use the razor to separate from the frame. Use the razor to separate this flag right here off the frame, okay? And this side too. The power button. You have to be careful. Okay. Now it's off. Now I take off this. Let's see if any thing that how it are. After I take off the thing right here, the screw right here from the ball. Take it off. Battery. I would like to remove this battery out of the frame too. Okay, don't take off the cable from the battery of the motherboard. We can try to lift up the battery. They have the little glue on the bottom only. You see? Just use the plastic part to broken screen off the frame. You can use the heat gun to hit around, or I put on the heating plate machine if you have one. You can hit this around like this to melt all the glue. I put on the heating machine for 80 degrees for 25 minutes to melt all the glue off. While I'm waiting for the screen to be heated on the machine, I'm gonna start tape the screen, put some tape on the new screen. Okay, I'm gonna use the double side tape to tape all around the screen. We hit them. It's very strong glue on this blue phone, so okay, take it's all back. I do this method to take off the screen because it's very hot. The glue stay strong. Make sure you unlock this one, okay? This. Okay. Okay. this. Okay. Okay, now the old screen is separate from the film. Now we just need to clean up and then see if I have put the tape all around the screen, new screen already. And then I'm going to put 2 more strips on the side of the screen. You have to put the new screen on the frame. Put this top flat to the frame first and then the long flat. Okay, now we have put it back, the new screen on the frame. Okay, the rest is to put the housing back and this charging port right here, the wireless. We have to put this one to the lock. Let's see. Put this to this lock first. Okay. And lock it back again. Make sure the cable all the way in. Now we lock it. Put this flag to this hole by the camera. And put the earpiece to the position. See any fueling stuck in here? No.